To this moment, Nick and Courtney bring the fullness of their hearts as a treasure to share with one another. They bring the dreams which bind them together. They bring that personality and spirit which is uniquely their own, out of which will grow the reality of their life together. I speak now to Nick and Courtney of love, in which the trust and freedom of the other person becomes as significant as the trust and freedom of oneself. I speak of all of our hopes for your continued growth through patience, one for the other. May they never take each other's love for granted, but always experience that breathless wonder that exclaims, out of all this world, you have chosen me. May Nick and Courtney keep the vows made on this day in freedom, teaching each other who they are, what they yet shall be, enabling them to know that in the fullness of being, they are more than themselves and more than each other, that they are all of us, and that together we share joyously the fruits of life on this earth.
Oh my God. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Look at you.
Now you will feel no rain, for each of you will be shelter to the other. Now you will feel no cold, for each of you will be warmth to the other. Now there is no loneliness for you. Now you are two persons, but there is one life before you. Go now to your dwelling place to enter into the place of your togetherness, and may your days be good and long upon the earth. Having pledged your faith in and your love towards one another, and having sealed your solemn vows by the giving and receiving of rings before these witnesses, now by the powers vested in me, by the laws of the state of New York, it is my honor and it is my great pleasure to now pronounce you husband and wife. Nick, you may kiss your bride.
Courtney was young, she used to tell me that I was the #1 man in her life. Now you can imagine how amazing that made me feel, and I was always very proud to hold the title. Just as I am absolutely certain that I've once again lost the title. But this time I won't be getting it back. And now Nicholas, Barbara, and I would like to formally welcome you into our family and let you know how proud we are to call you our son-in-law. Welcome.
It's a special occasion to see two people who love and care about separately come together. I plan to use their relationship as proof of how a healthy relationship should be. I love them both tremendously, and I wish them a beautiful life together.
To start, I love you both, and I love you even more together. Who would have known that going to watch Elliot race on a random Friday night in high school would have turned into such an amazing love story? I must say, the more I got to know Nick in the years to follow, that night, I knew he would have fit into Courtney's life seamlessly. With each other, they are the best versions of themselves. I am so happy that my best friend has married the man of her dreams and will continue to create the life that we had always wished for. Courtney and Nick, you two couldn't be any more perfect for one another. Here's to never-ending years of love and happiness between the both of you.